Hello, this is the Tachibana Corporation coming at you with another unboxing video. And today we'll be unboxing the eero 6 dual band mesh Wi-Fi system. Let's go ahead and get started. As you can see here from the picture, it is an Amazon company. Here's the front of the box here. And here's one of the sides. So you can see what's included is they have one wired one, two wireless extenders, three power adapters, and one Ethernet cable. It tells you what you need: a modem, a smartphone, an internet connection, and an internet service provider. It's good that it works on both Apple and Android. They have branding all over the place. There's nothing on this side. And this side just says Wi-Fi 6 and works with Alexa. Now here's the back. I believe we just need to look at the bottom now. No, we did the bottom. Okay. So there's a little start here section. So you have to rip off the plastic, which I did have to cut because unlike most Amazon products, it did not have an easy open tab. Okay, assuming it folds up, there we go. As you can see, there's nothing on the top. That's really cool. I just have them just sitting here like that. Alright, so let's go with the first one. Assuming this is wireless. No, it's wired. Cool. Look at the second one. It just has a power port. Ooh, it's USB-C as well. Look at Amazon for moving forward. As you may have known from one of our other unboxings, they still use the old USB standard for their Kindle Fires. And you can see here that there's a power button right there. Oh, that's not a power button. That looks like some sort of syncing button. That's cool. Okay, let's see what else is in here. There's gotta be, there we go. They're little tabs. I was thinking the whole tray lifted up, but the tray does not. Okay, and these are just the powers with USB-C. That's cool. Okay, this must be everything else that's included. Ah, the Ethernet cord. White goes with the rest of them. That's pretty cool. Okay, here's a quick start guide. Oh, I think it's literally just one piece of cardboard. Warranty, safety, and legal. For those of you that want the warranty information. There's the warranty information. Okay. And then meet eero Secure. I do believe they said you got a, there it is, upgrade to eero Secure Plus. Some sort of monthly subscription, kind of like when you buy the ring and they ask you to sign up for their extra service for extra time in the 15-minute saving of time for the ring or something, some protect plan. I imagine this is very similar. Alright guys, I believe that is the end of our eero 6 unboxing. Let us know down in the comments what you would like us to unbox next, and we will go ahead and catch you guys next time.